remember I've lost count of the number of walks I've been on with this group. So.
That's good. Taking you to corners we didn't know existed.
Yes.
Yeah? We'll just park and then switch.
Yeah. To a certain degree, but it's not like Newmarket.
Oh! This is where you can't.
Oh yeah. But I've got.
I'm not sure if it's something I would have carried with me anyway.
Together now, all together now, all together now, in no man's land, together, all together now, all together now, all together now.
Car. D.
Put it on the backpack. Leave it all day. That's the other thing.
All together now, all together now, boys that say they said no, stop me fighting, let's go home, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boys that say they said no, stop the story, let's go home.
I can roll Norfolk on dealing with smuggling and seeing cotton brands and stuff because it was under heavy taxes all over the world.
That's the brave Squire Castle.
That's the man himself. Good colours.
Yes.
Because I mean, the people didn't know how to read or write original
Yeah, science museum.
Oh, it comes up out there.